Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Nexus artifact storage in ec2. First of all, we launch our new instance and we are going to install Nexus in that instance, and we are access it through the browser. So let's start. This is my AWS ec2 service. We are going to launch a new instance, in Linux. So here we have to select T2 medium because the T2 micro is not suitable for the Nexus because it needs more CPU core, but beware, this is the T2 medium is something changeable. As default I am leaving everything here as well. Just no need, I'll add travel add tags. So here I'm adding some TCP port, add custom TCP. By default the Nexus is running on 8081 ports. Before that I am directly giving here just I'm giving the Nexus security group launch instance. Keeper I'm giving Jenkins keeper, which I have previously. All the instance has been launched. Let's view the instance. So instance is launching. Nexus new server. So it's in pending. After the status has been changed, we are connected to the our mobile extern through SSH. Let it take some time, I think. I don't know why. Yes, it's running. I am connected to my mobile extern through SSH. Okay, first of all we need to install Java over here. First check the Java is available or not. See, the Java is not available here, so we are going to install our Java. So this is some of the file you have been installed. Now installing JDK. Is successful install. Let's check the version. Yes, 1.8 version is available. Now let's go to the Nexus, download Nexus. So now type Nexus. We need to download artifact 3. So this is the link, Unix link. Just copy the address link over here and just use. Just we need to go. We have to download it in the OTP folder. Just to go to OTP folder. Sorry. We are inside the OPT folder and paste it. Sorry, it's a OPT folder. Before that we do sudo wget command. We use wget command to download tar file. Now let's see the tar file is available. Yes, we got tar file. Just untar it. Sudo tar. Just sudo tar just enter it. Let's check it. We got new. This is one of the file and this is one file. We got no. Before that, we are going to change the name of this Nexus. Let me use sudo new Nexus. We have to change the name like Nexus 3. Okay, do ls. Yes, we have successfully changed. Now let's check ls hyphen lt. Here you can see we have the root permissions are available for these two files, right? So we have to change these permissions as a user. What user we are using now is ec2 user, so we have to change these permissions to a ec user. For that we have to use ch run hyphen recursively so ec2 hyphen user, and we are changing permission to use root user to ownership to root user to ec2 user. Both the let's check. Yes, we have successfully changed our permissions ownership to the ec2 user. Now we have to give these users to now we have to give this user to let me enter. I will show Nexus 3. Here we do ls. See, there is we can let's cd into bin ls. So in nexus.rc we are going to give that ec2 username, because the Nexus should understand our who is the owner of the chip, right? So I am using sudo vi nexus dot rc. Just yes, yeah, just get into insert mode and just remove the hash. Here we can give ec2 hyphen user and save it. So everything coming perfect. And here one thing you can start here we have to do sudo nexus if you enter, click the enter. Now the Nexus is going to start, but what I want means I have to serve these Nexus in the service level, means when our instance is reboot, sometimes we stop and start, right? At this time the automatically the Nexus has to be up and run. So for that we require for the run as a service, Nexus run as a service. So for that we are going to do something here. Let's get into here. In this we have to go to the installation. Here we have to run as service. Select the run as service. So this is what we have already done. This is sudo soft link. We are going to create our copy for soft link. Just paste over here, but be confirm that we have changed our Nexus name as Nexus 3. Click enter. Okay, it's okay. Now we have to confirm, copy all this. What is this means? I will say one. See, this is where cd to init.d and check confirmation, and that whenever the Nexus has been check on whenever the Nexus has the instant has been rebooted, the Nexus should be automatically up and run. So that's we are going to do it now. Now it's okay, everything is okay. Now we are going to start our service. See, Nexus sudo service Nexus start. So Nexus is started. Let me check the started is the Nexus is up and running or not. that for we have to use status. See, it will show up and running. See, Nexus is now up and running. So let's go and access this through Chrome. We'll just copy the public DNS, paste over it. By default 8081 port. Don't worry. It will run. It will check something. It checks in the security group that our port has been opened or not. So it is already open. So it is now launching. Here the Nexus has been launched. Some net problem, I think. That's why it is slow. No problem. So this is the Nexus we have launched in our instance. Just signing. We will sign in. By default, it is admin is the username, and previously the password is admin123, but now the Nexus has been changed. That password is available over here. See, so just copy this one and go to our terminal. Just do sudo cat and paste it over here. Yes, this is I think this is the password. Copy this one, go to here, paste over it and sign in. Yes, we have successfully logged inside a Sonatype Nexus. Let's do, yes, it will asking whatever the required password you have to change. You can change it here. Next, disable and X should be chosen if it will require credentials. Yes. Okay, all the new things it is showing now. I think the Nexus has been updated. Okay, this is how now you can see here we have been inside the admin. We have signed in successfully and user as admin. So this is how we are going to install Nexus and access through our browser. Thank you for watching this video.